SS. Nah, bro.
Welcome back to Oz Modified. Just going to give you guys a quick update on the SS and where it's at. Last weekend we're going to go roll racing up at Willowbank. Spent most of the day detailing it and getting it ready. And then unfortunately it started making these weird noises. At first I thought it was a lifter, but it turned out to be much worse than that. So we got it towed to Elite Automotive, and now they're the ones looking at it. And so I got a call from Elite on Friday afternoon. They told me that it was a damaged flex plate and damaged bolts and also a rear main seal, and that's what was making all the noise. So what they're going to be doing is putting in an upgraded flex plate and ARP flex plate bolts, the new genuine rear main seal. So yeah, can't wait to get it back, and we'll go to roll racing on February 15th up at roll racing. Hope to see some of you guys there. I'll keep you updated anyway when I get it back. I'll put up a video of what the broken flex plate sounds like. Pretty disappointed that we didn't get to go roll racing, but we'll be hoping to be there on February 15th. Hope to see some of you guys there. And yeah, can't wait to go test out the SS with this new combo. Thanks for watching.